today, everybody's are looking for protein, protein, protein. And when you go in the market, you can find a bunch of protein products like and these protein products are predominantly dominated by that soya proteins and whey proteins. But you know what is the environmental cost of this both protein productions? Well, 8,000 liter water required for making 1 kilogram of whey protein, and it's also emitted 1.7 kilogram of carbon dioxide in the environment. On the other hand, the soya protein required 2,000 liter of water, and it's resulted in deforestation because it's required a lot of land. And in contrast, that microalgae like spirulina and chlorella is produce 100 times more protein per hectare. And it's not emitted, it's absorbed the carbon dioxide from the environment. And it's required a 20 times less water compared to this both protein productions. So these all things make the microalgae is more sustainable and eco-friendly option and it's alternative protein, right? And here is the twist. What if we could deliver this protein product in a delicious, sweet, and tangy taste? So here's my project is come. So I made that sustainable, eco-friendly, protein-rich product, and in this I infused that spirulina and chlorella algae in the hard candies, and that my objective is to determine that both algae combinations that affect on the physiochemical, textural, and that sensory evolution. And I experimented that 5 different samples and 5 with the different combinations. And also tested that moisture content for the shelf life, the texture, and also I done with that IRB approved sensory analysis. And what I got? That 50-50% spirulina and chlorella got best results. It's combined very bland and perfect moisture content, and also they maintain their natural green color. And in the IRB sensory evolution result, that it's most preferred by the consumers. And the main thing that one candy contained that 10 to 11 gram of protein. So I created that sustainable, eco-friendly, healthy, and it's easily consumable. So all age group can consume easily. And also it's pocket-friendly. You can carry whenever you go. And it's main that functionality and cost effectiveness all together in one candy. It's Algae Pop. So it's a very perfect for today's hard and fast lifestyle. Yeah, so thank you.
So you talked about a lot of things that's important to you as you think about your research project, right? So you talked about the what you're producing itself, but you also talked about the environment, and you also talked about people's health. So as you think about yourself as a food scientist, right, and you're sort of the reasons for why you want to do this work, is all of it equally important, or is there something that motivates you more than something else as you work on your research?
Yeah. So my first focus is environmental fact, because there nowadays a lot of people are only know about that whey protein and soya protein, and in the algae protein, nobody aware about this algae like spirulina and chlorella. So the main focus is to because in this both protein production, they require a lot of land, lot of water and all things, but in the algae that's require very less land. In a small pond you can grow that spirulina and chlorella. So my main focus is environmental. And then my second focus in people's health as a food scientist. So I, before deciding this project, I wandering in a Walmart and Costco, and I searched that there is no candy product from that algae and all things. So I focused on that, and I want to deliver that protein-rich product in a snack format, so people can easily carry whenever they go, because nobody have a time to making other things, and they also want a protein, but in a sustainable and a portable way. Yeah. So.
Could you speak to a particular challenge that you found in your research?
Yeah, during I made this candy, that major challenge is temperature, because this temperature goes very high, so that sugar is converted in bitter. So consumer is not prefer this bitter candy, and if this temperature it's below the optimum temperature, so that candy it's converting sticky. So when you eat, it's a stick in your teeth. So it's my major challenge during I made candy. Yes.
Yeah, and again, similar. I was wondering how many grams of sugar. I can just see your label now, all these great nutritional benefits. And are you looking to try to make it a sugar-free option if possible? I don't know about synthetic sugars and their abilities to make hard candy? Because like you said, of the temperature, but you're making me very curious.
So right now I perform it in a lab scale, so I use a lot of sugar in my candy. But yeah, there is a future prospect that I can use that stevia, the alternative source of sugar. And right now my candy weight is 15 gram, and I use it 7 gram sugar per candy. Yeah, for right now. But yeah, there is a future prospect that we can make a sugar-free candy for diabetic persons. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Thank you.